Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you another Dollar Tree haul. There are a few items that are seasonal, but some are just things that you can use year-round. And so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing I have for you are the seasonal items, and this one was what they had out before Valentine's Day, but it's something that you can actually use year-round. And it's just a little plastic piece of decor that says love. And you can see on the bottom it's wide, so you can actually either hang it on the wall. It has these little places where you can hang it, or you can just set it out. And I think they have this in black as well. Some of you may still be able to find them in your stores, but anyway, this is one that I found that I thought was kind of cute. I don't really do a lot of decorating for Valentine's Day, so I didn't really buy a lot of Valentine's Day stuff. But on to Easter, they have these cute little Easter eggs. It comes in a pack of 6, and honestly, it's cute enough the way it's packaged that you could just use it like this, just setting it out, whether you set it on a tier tray or just setting it in an arrangement or whatever, or you can take the eggs out and use them each separately. But I thought these were really cute. And the thing about these eggs is they do go pretty quickly. So if you see them in your store, I would suggest you grab a few of them because you may not see them the next time you go back. Because like I said, I think they had these last season and I wasn't able to find them anywhere. So I'm glad they came back out because I was able to get a few. The other seasonal item is every season they have a set of dish towels, an oven mitt, and a pot holder. This time I've not been able to find anything except this, and it's really cute. It's got the it looks like old wood. Well, I mean it's cloth, but the decoration on it, you can see the lines where the bicycle is, and it kind of makes it look like old wood, but it says bloom where you're planted. And I just thought this was really cute. I haven't been able to find the pot holder or the oven mitt that goes along with this, and they may have more or different styles later, but this is all I've been able to find so far. But I thought that was really cute. The last, I don't even know if this was really a seasonal thing or if it's just something new they've come out with. Usually they have the succulents in the little pots, you know, that you can set around. This time it's different. The succulent, if you can see, is kind of on its side and it's in this little triangle. And you can either use it like this to where you can see the succulent that way, or you can stand it up and use it this way. But I thought this was something that was different, and yet it really could go with anything. All right. The next few things are these battery operated LED candles. Most of the time you see the LED candles in the tea lights, but now they have and they may have always had these, but I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree. Now they have the little taper candles and the votive candles. They're battery operated, and so they're really convenient to keep around without having to worry about something catching on fire. So anyway, I love these little candles. I can't wait to start using them. All right, on with lighting, I guess, is this cute little mini lantern. And again, it's battery operated, so you just have to use the little, they're little disc batteries. I'm not sure what size they are, but anyway, I thought this little lantern was cute. And I don't know if you can see the little, where the flame would be, but I thought that was cute. And this is something that would be great in a little tier tray, or just a little corner nook that needs a little extra lighting. This would be really cute. Now, this is something that I've started using and I love it. It is similar to the OxyClean. You know, they used to have the infomercials with the OxyClean and how it cleans everything in your laundry. Well, this is very similar. And what makes it great is it's only $1 instead of like $10. I think you pay at like Bed Bath and Beyond. But this is something that I use in my washing machine with every load that I wash, and it is chlorine free, so you don't have to worry about it messing up your colors, your darker colors. And again, only $1, and the scoop isn't that big, so you don't have to use that much. This is the size of the scoop, so it doesn't take very much, so it lasts a while, which is awesome. And it has a good smell too. It has like a clean smell. All right, this is something that I think maybe they put out for the season, like the spring season, but because of the colors, they have these baskets, and it's a different style than the normal baskets that they usually sell. And they're actually they feel a little bit sturdier than some of the regular baskets that they have. But they have this style and this shape. They also have, in the same style, they have this shape, which is actually a little bit longer and more narrow, which I really like. Then they also have, they have, in the same style, they have this basket, which I really like this basket. It is deeper and it's more square. It may have a little bit of a rectangle shape, but it's more of a square than the other two. But the great thing about this is like under a sink where you don't really have a lot of space to store things, you can, especially in the bathroom, this will be great because what you do is you just turn it the other way and they stack on top of each other. Isn't that convenient? And it doesn't take up a lot of space. So this would be a great organizer for under your sink, whether it's in the bathroom or in the kitchen. But I'm going to use these in my bathroom because I don't have a lot of space. Now they have two more, but they're a different style. So this is more of a basket weave style, and it's more rounded. You see, it's not really perfectly square at the bottom, so it's more round, and it has the cute little handles. So it comes in this size and shape, and then they have one that is the round basket with the same basket weave. Those were really cute, and they actually come in 4 colors. They come in this gray, which I really like because it's very neutral, but they also have it in hot pink and a really pretty turquoise color. And they also have it in navy. The navy was actually really pretty. I don't have navy in my house, but I was tempted to get it just because it's such a pretty color. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is something that I've never seen before. They may have had it at other stores, but I've never seen it. So this is a broom handle or mop handle, and I don't have the end of it anymore because I accidentally threw it away. But on the end of this, it had like the sponge mop attachment, but it was the yellow, so it was kind of like a cheaper mop. But they have some attachments that aren't the same brand as this. I don't even remember what brand this one was, but they have these attachments that go on the end. There's supposed to be a rod that goes on the end of these that's not this white one, but my Dollar Tree, of course, did not have the one that goes with this, but it actually fits on the end of this one. So this is an attachment for, so basically what you do is you just screw it onto the bottom, okay? And then it has these things. These are microfiber pads. You get one for $1, and they just basically Velcro onto the bottom of this. So if you have hardwood floors like I do, it's really a pain to keep it up and to keep it shiny, but these are perfect to use with like the Bona, which is what I use on my floors. And instead of having to try to clean it and make sure it's good to use another time, you just use it once, and it's only $1, so you can just throw it away after you use it. You don't have to worry about trying to clean it and getting all the product off of it and it being stiff and all that. So I thought this was great. I can't wait to use this on my wood floors to get it shiny again. So not only do they have this attachment, but they also have a broom attachment. Now they actually have two broom attachments. They have this angled broom attachment, and then they also have one that is more of like a push broom style, and the bristles are really not that bad. You can see. So anyway, I thought this was great because if it gets messed up, it's just $1. So you just take it off and throw it away. They also did have one other mop attachment, and it was the cloth mop attachment, but I didn't get it. So they had those. They had the three, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments that go on the end of this broom. So I really was pleased to find this, and this is a better quality than the other brooms that they sell and the mops that they sell at Dollar Tree. So I was really pleased to get that. So that is actually all that I have for you today from Dollar Tree, and I hope that something in here is something that you might be able to use. But I have a question for you, and I would love for you to comment with your answer down below. But so my question is, do you still use the traditional broom and mop, cloth mop, to mop your floors? Or do you use to sweep your floors? Do you use the vacuum and then the steam mops that they have out now? Which one do you use, and which one do you like better if you've tried both of them? So let me know in the comments below. If you are new to this channel and you've never stopped by before, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like haul videos, if you like household hack videos and organization videos, then I would really love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. You can click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the bell button, because that lets you know every time I upload a new video. And again, please comment below, and don't forget to click the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.